Hi, so we're back with SAT Math. This is just a real quick question. It was disguised to make something look harder than what it really is. This question was taken from an actual SAT. I believe the year was 2021. But this is a simple question, right? Because when you look at it, you know immediately you have to cross multiply. So it says if 2 over z equals 8 over z plus 42, what is the value of z over 2? Simple enough. And you can start figuring it out. Your choices are 14, 7, 2, and 1/7. And if you cross multiply, which is your first step, you're automatically going to go 2 times z is 2z. That's where you're getting this from. So you're going to go here. And then 42 times 2 is 84. So you would now have 2z plus 84. You're replacing this because since this 42 went 42 times 2, you replaced it. Okay, and I did that twice. Okay, now you want to go over here, and that's just straightforward 8z. Since the equal sign is here, you have to put it on the other side of the equal sign, and that's where you see it. Now you're starting to see something. It's just a regular problem, and so therefore you solve for the value of z. So you take negative 2z on one side, take negative 2z to the other side, you get 84 equals 6z. Okay, already some of you are going 12, 14, 2, you know it's more than 10. And sure enough, when you cross multiply, even if you don't want to do 6 into 84, you want to start reducing, you want to start saying things like 2 goes into 6 3 times, and then 2 goes into this 42 just off the top of your head, and then you try to say, well, does 3 go into 42, which it does. Okay, 3 goes into 42. How many times? If you want to start reducing, you can do an extra step there. That's up to you. You're going to get 14. And if you do this, 6 goes into 8 one time, and you have your leftover. You have 24. These are so close together. Sorry about that, but that's 4. And that's 14. So it's 14 either way you do it. Okay, so now you know 14 equals z. Well, hello, good job, 14 equals z. So people are going to be so tempted to go ahead and do that. But here's the situation. This is a trick. Deception is sometimes used on any achievement test. Guard yourself against it. It asks you what is the value of z to the second. And when you're panicking and you're nervous and you want to go ahead and do something, you'll go ahead and circle A, and then you'll get it wrong because that is not what the question is asking you. It's asking you the value of z over. So you have to go ahead and take the extra step, cross this out, and go 14 divided by 2, which you know from simple times tables is 7. So there's your answer. That's a real quickie. Just be on guard for those things. Otherwise, it's an easy problem. Good luck on the SAT.